to create challenges, once we are logging, we go to the create button and we select challenge. The next step will be to first select the event that is going to help the challenge. In this case will be Campus Party Singapore. The next one will be to add the title of the activity of the challenge. In this case, it's recommended to have the hashtag of the event. In this case, I'm going to add the hashtag of Singapore. The kind of challenge, the challenge type will be, in this case, I have to select between the list that is added, and then I can add the primary area, interest area. The tag, if I want to add some tags, I can just add it. I'm going to add this one. And if I want to suggest a hashtag, I can just suggest it. The country, if the challenge is going to be limited to a user from a certain country, I can just type it, and there will be a list. And if there is a language, in this case, for example, English, I can select the language. If there is more than one country, I can just add the country that I want to add. The teaser will be a short description used to index the activity in the search engines, and then I can add the description of the activity. Then I can upload a regulation of if there are regulations. I will add this entitled text. And if there are other files that I want to add, I can enter also here. So I can enter the regulation and if there are other files, the main image. In this case, I will add this main image. So I will add the image. If there is a video, a URL, or a hashtag, in this case, it will be the hashtag of the event. In this case, CPSG1. The price, even if the price is a computer, for example, let's add an iPhone X, let's say. The price will be this iPhone X. I have to add the price of the quantity of the price for the item, and select a currency. I can add as many prices as I want. For example, I want to add here an iPhone 8, and let's say that it costs $400, and the price and the currency. And now, challenge, the user will have to give to do the challenge and send a file or something. So I will enter here if they want to send, if they have to send a URL, or if they have to upload a file. If there is an additional comment for this format, I will enter here. I will enter any additional comment that I may have, and the expected results, technical information, and additional information that we may have. The criterion for the evaluation, the process of the process description. I may here add the jury that we will have, and the dates. In this case, I will add the 20th of February and the 20th of February. When will be the 21? When will be announcement date? The hour date, and if there is a place for to give the award. I will add the contact information. So in this case, I'm going to add Campus Party Singapore. Then if I want to add a number, if not, I just can just zeros. The email in this case, Singapore at Campuse.ro. This is mandatory, and address if I want to add an address. And then once I have all the information added, I will just click on send to create the challenge. And the challenge will be created. If the user wants to participate, there will be a participate button that will allow the user to upload the URL or the file that they have to upload. All the information that we enter will be displayed here, and so user can participate in the activity.